share with you guys my May favorites, and even though it's already late, I will still share it with you guys kasi yeah, ganun lang din ang life. So I only have a few of the things that I have used for the month of May, and yeah, hindi ako ganun kasi papalit-palit ng products, so I will just be sharing with you guys the things that I have been loving for the month of May. So let's start with the video. So the first one that I have here is this Argan Oil Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelette. So if you have seen my product review of this Argan Oil Makeup Remover, so alam niyo na kung bakit nagustuhan ko to. So you head on to that video para makita niyo kung ano yung performance ng product nito. Kasi pangalawang pack ko na to. So ganun ko siya kagustong-gusto. And the second one that I have here is this Renewal Antioxidant Moisturizing Facial Mask from Watsons. So ito yung 55 each or 100 something each, 100 something kapag bibili ka na ng tatlo. So parang buy 2 get 1 free. So yes! So I'm really loving it kasi na-moisturize niya talaga yung skin ko. Nilalagay ko siya paggabi. And then in the morning, parang yung pores ko nagpo-close siya. Hindi naman totally nagpo-close, pero nagto-tighten yung pores. And ang hydrating lang sa feeling. Parang yung glowing yung skin mo in the morning. This IY Korea BB-holic BB Cream, Everyday BB Cream. So alam nyo na kung bakit gustong-gusto ko to kasi maybe you've seen it in my vlog. So yun, kung na-upload ko na yung mga vlog about this product, ang ganda lang talaga niya. Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang foundation kasi itong mga pores ko dito sa nose ko, yung ibang foundations or ibang BB cream, nagka-clog sila dito sa mga pores ko dito. Tapos kitang-kita mo talaga na nagbi-build up yung parang nagki-cakey effect siya. But with this BB Holic, hindi siya nagki-cakey talaga. So gusto ko talaga. Gustong-gusto. So yeah. The next one that I have been loving is this Careline Lippie, and it's in the shade Best Friend. I have also a review of this product. I will just put the link down below if you wanna see that or if you wanna see the performance of this product. So yeah, hindi siya yung pang vavavoom na performance, but yeah, I still love this one. This facial cleanser, maxi peel, pore refining, deep cleansing, anti-acne, smoothening, lightening, and vitamin enriched. So this one is the toner that I have been using for the month of May, and it does a good job kasi yung mga pores ko, napapansin ko pag, especially when I put this at night, kapag gising ko ng umaga, yung mga pores ko talaga parang ang tight ng skin ko, parang hindi siya yung dry feeling, but the pores are tight. Of course, let's go to the hygiene category, and yes, kasi itong mga ito yung mga nagugustuhan ko talaga, and hindi ko pa siya nasi-share sa inyo. So the first one that I have been loving for the month of May, although if you're following me in my Instagram, did I share it in my Instagram? I have a hormonal problem right now, so hindi ko siya masyadong nagagamit kasi, ayun. If you have seen my update video, you will know na sobrang stress, so hindi ko ito nagagamit. Yes. And I have been loving this since college pa ako. And this one is the Charming Feminine Pads na yung wala siyang wings. Ito siya na very cottony lang siya. Hindi siya yung gel, hindi siya yung cotton lang siya. Cotton pads lang siya talaga. So, this is so good when it comes to absorption. And hindi ako nakangati dito. I don't have irritations, ganyan. And never pa ako nagkatagos dito talaga. Never pa ako nagkatagos. So, ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko na pad. So, yes. Even though with the hormonal problems, huh? And the next one that I have been loving for the month of May, na-discover ko lang siya nung May or April, I guess. This is the Cuddles Cotton Squares. Kasi wala yung Watsons na mga cotton squares. So, I tried the Cuddles. And it did a great job talaga. Kasi yung ano niya, hindi yung kasi yung ibang cotton pads, pag ginamit mo siya, pag nilagyan mo siya ng toner or liquid products, parang naghihiwa-hiwalay sila. When it comes to that, yung Cuddles talaga magandang performance niya. So, no pulls, sabi niya dito, no need to flatten kasi flat na din siya. Tsaka, ang gusto ko dito, parang may stitches siya sa gilid, dalawang gilid niya, tapos yung dalawang side, yung shorter sides niya, yun, wala siyang stitches. So, mas maganda siya kasi kung gaganunin mo siya pag naglalagay ako ng antibiotic sa mga pimples ko, then good siya kaysa dun sa may mga stitches all over. or all around the square. Mas gusto ko. And the next one, nakita nyo na siya, that I have been loving is this Palmolive Naturals White Plus Papaya. Ito siya. It whitens in 1 week, sabi niya, but I don't know if it whitens, pero ang habol ko talaga dito is the scent. Really, the scent is really good. Kapag labas mo ng bathroom, the scent, nandyan siya all over my bathroom and with sa bedroom ko. Talagang yung smell niya, gustong gusto ko siya. Tsaka hindi siya yung nakaka-dry. Ito siya yung whitening soap siya na hindi siya nakaka-dry. So, yun, gustong gusto ko siya. The last one here in the things that I will be showing you. Here in my favorite is this Coach bag that I got inside my cabinet when I was cleaning my bag cabinet. Hindi ko alam na may ganito to. Hindi ko alam kung kanino. Siguro kay mama ko. But I've been loving this kasi flat na flat lang siya. Pero ang dami niya nakakarga talaga. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, hulog pa. Tapos, yung zipper nga is really good. Siyempre, Coach nga naman. So, yeah. And, pink. She's in pink. So, I'm really loving this one. And the last one that I will be sharing with you guys is a movie favorite of mine. Napanood ko lang siya parang this week or 2 weeks ago. Grabe talaga. Yung The Choice by Nicholas Sparks.
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes! Come bother me, baby. Bother me for the rest of my life. Be my wife.
You should watch that. Sabi ng mga review, yun daw yung the worst Nicholas Sparks na book or movie, but for me, it isn't. Parang sobrang ganda talaga niya. Parang hindi ka masyadong maiiyak kasi iba siya. Iba yung plot niya when it comes compared to other Nicholas Sparks. But yeah, gusto ko siya kasi you will learn a lot about life. Yung mga choices na ginagawa natin. Ano ba yan? Nagbibigay na ako ng ano. So you should watch that and yeah, mag-download na kayo ng free na movie and ma-appreciate nyo ang life, ma-appreciate nyo ang relationship, ma-appreciate nyo ang mga maliliit na decisions na ginagawa natin sa buhay natin kasi ang laki pala ng impact. And do not wait for that time na mag-regret ka. So, ayun! Ang dami ko nang sinabi. Excited ako. Nilove ako sa movie na yan. So, yeah, if you have an Instagram, you can follow me at JoyOfMia and I have also a Facebook page. Please like JoyOfMia. So, yeah, para maging updated kayo. So, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!